Hello everyone. I make a couple days ago how I'll end my X Infinity journey, but this journey comes to end earlier. So now in front of you I'll release my 3 Axies and I claim my last 3000 NT. I have 85 bucks. I'll send it to the exchange. My 3 Axies. I don't have land, I don't have anything. Now let's do it. Let's release those Axie. Why I can't? I again. So yeah, the problem was that I didn't cancel my Axies from selling on the market. So I done that. And now let's continue. Release an Axie and we will release those 3 beauties. Flying Jaw is the first one. Hard time. Really like this game and the Axie. Not profitable anymore. Oh, like I earn 50 cents a day and with the last earn absolutely nothing. Goodbye, friend. I hope at least I get something to get. Oh, we get common one first. Okay. I hope it costs more than 30 bucks. That's the price of the Axie right now. Let's continue with the second Axie. Rara Aqua. They served me really well. I played so many games with play 130-40 days every single day for at least hour or two. Second, common assorted firecrackers, and probably this will be the third one as well. But it is what it is. So let's release my last beautiful dog. I just see you in the next one. Pray for them, please. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, put the comment down below because that's a hard time. Really hard time, but don't worry, we'll rise again. And the last Axie on his way. Yes. Goodbye, friend. Spending fresh and check what we got. We take third. Come on. Okay. So that was it. We don't have much luck. We have like $100 release. I'll keep you in touch if actually earn something or just tell them without the point, but with the new update there's so many things to do. So thank you for your time and see you soon.